Hey, how are you? Happy New Year! I'm Jane. Welcome back to my channel. And today I've got another unboxing. I know, right? He's so good, that guy. But first, let me introduce you to my new best friends. Okay, here they are. Now, these arrived just before Christmas. So, yeah, these arrived just before Christmas. So I've been using them for a week. But honestly, guys, OMG. Now, the Gothic Beach I've had for ages. But this is the bomb sunscreen. This really is a great product. And this is worth getting. Facial sunscreen. It's clear. It's beautiful. It's blurring. I love it. I've been using it every day. It's a great product. And OMG, this is the brand new Wake Your Ass Up eye cream. And oh boy, I feel like this has made an improvement. It's active. You can feel the difference and you can see the difference. If you haven't tried this, really, honestly, go try it. Do yourself a favor. She's great. Awesome. And OMG, also absolutely fantastic. The new Wake Your Ass Up serum. Magic Star Espresso Shot Serum. I've been using this also every day, and she is gorgeous. This is my new favourite, and I'm no longer upset and devastated that I cannot get the banana fetish, because now I have something just as good. I'll show you. She's a beauty. It is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful skincare product. I'm most impressed. Alright. Here she is. Absolutely gorgeous. She's hydrating. She does everything you want your serum to do. She's beautiful. Espresso shot serum. Wonderful. Now, a big surprise that I got with my is this. OMG. OMG, so good. This is a beautiful product. It's a stick. It blurs and it really does cool. And I've also been using this. It's still quite hot, even though it's not really sunny and pleasant. It's still muggy at the moment here in Oz. And this is beautiful. It was part of the Christmas specials, and I'm so happy about it. Anyhow, okay, this is a beautiful product. Well worth it. And these are my new best friends. Besties. Okay. Okay, now I'm moving into my festive box. This is my unboxing haul of prods. Beautiful. These are great. Well worth it. I have lots of mists and things, so I don't really need any more at the moment. But no doubt, if they're still around, I'm going to try them. And attention to detail. Check it out. It's got the festive packaging. How gorgeous. Slip that out. Woo. She's the festive sweater. OMG. It's everything and more. Oh, these are the pants. OMG. They've got glitter. They're gorge. Check that. Love it. got the pants. And I got the sweater. She's beautiful. Happy. And I got the bag. The bag is super cute. Super cute. Here's the bag. She's got cardboard reinforcement, but OMG. I thought this was gorge. And I had to have it. And I also got another one of the mushroom mist. Fantastic and beautiful by Face Serum Mist. Yeah. So I'm going to have a very happy new year. Let's see if I can just unbox this a bit. And I can show you. She's packed up for travel. She's packaged. Love it. Oh, cute. She's got a star. Pretty. Oh yeah. 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 I like. She's a proper bag. She's a full size. Beauty. Gonna love this winter. Gonna love all of this winter. I'm gonna love this for now. Thank you, Jeffrey, for all your Christmas bargains. Love it. Okay, guys. Have a great, happy, prosperous, and auspicious New Year. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye. Don't forget to like and sub.